Kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Hey there, business-minded individuals. Are you ready to boost your income and transform your financial future? The rise of the gig economy. In today's fast-paced world, the gig economy is booming like never before. Side hustles give you the opportunity to diversify your income streams and reduce financial risk. Imagine having an extra stream of income that not only helps you pay off debt but also allows you to invest in your future. Now that we've got your attention, let's dive into some of the best side hustles that can make a significant impact on your financial life. Freelancing, monetize your skills and talents. Freelancing is an excellent way to monetize skills you already possess. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients and get started. If you've ever dreamed of owning your own store, e-commerce is the way to go. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to digital products. E-commerce allows you to reach a global audience. Content creation, turn your passion into profit. Are you passionate about something? Content creation could be your ticket. By creating valuable content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, you can build an audience and monetize. One of the biggest advantages of side hustles is flexibility. You get to decide when and where you work. Many side hustles have the potential to grow into full-fledged businesses. What starts as a small gig could turn into something much bigger. Some side hustles offer the potential for passive income. Who doesn't want to earn money while they sleep? Now that you're fired up about these amazing side hustles, it's time to take action. Don't miss out on more tips and strategies for boosting your income. Subscribe and turn on notifications. We'd love to hear from you. What side hustle ideas are you excited about? Share in the comments below.